The given question is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of a tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. So from the given information, we have to find the height of the tower. Let's draw the illustration for the given question. Let us consider AB to be the height of the building and DC to be the tower. From the question, we can see that the building height is 7 meters. And as we see from point A to the top of the tower, that is point D, it measures 60 degree to the horizontal. And when seen from point A to point C, that is foot of the tower, it measures 30 degree with the horizontal. We have to find the height of the tower, which is DC. Let's see the concept that we are going to use to solve this problem. The concept used is a trigonometric formula, that is tan theta. Let's understand tan theta. In the triangle shown with sides A, B and hypotenuse H, tan theta is defined as opposite by adjacent, which is A by B. Now let's see, using this tan theta, how we can solve this problem. Let's move on to the solution. Let E be the point as shown in figure. Let E be the point as shown in figure. Now DC can be written as DE plus EC. And from the figure, we can see that AB equals EC, which is equals to 7 meters. Now we have got the height of EC. We have to find the height of DE. For that, we'll consider the triangle AEC. So in AEC, the tan of 30 degrees can be written as opposite by adjacent, which is EC upon AE. Now rearranging the terms, we get the value of AE. That is AE equals EC upon tan 30 degrees. Now which equals to, as we know, EC equals to 7 meters upon, and tan 30 degree equals to 1 by under root 3, which can further be simplified as 7 root 3. That is AE. Now let's use this side AE in triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, the tan of angle 60 degree equals tan of 60 equals Opposite by adjacent, which is DE upon AE, which implies DE equals, we know EC, we need only DE, so we find DE here to get the height of the tower. So DE equals tan 60 times AE, which is equals to tan 60 is root 3 into 7 root 3, which simplifies further to 7 into 3, which is equals to 21. 7 threes are 21 centimeters, sorry, meters as the height DE. DE. Now we have to find the height of the tower. Since we have DE and EC, DC equals 21 meter plus 7 meters, which is equals to 28 meters. Now we have got the height of the tower DC. That is the height of the tower DC equals 28 meter. Hope this answered your question. Thank you.